In this video, we're going to look at how to add seconds to time in Excel using a formula. In this example, we have the date and time in column B and the number of seconds we want to add in column C. And what we're going to do here is to add these seconds to the time. The reason why I've included the date in this example is to show the impact on the date when added seconds are that high that the date changes. The formula that we'll be using here to add a specific number of seconds to the time is a simple arithmetic calculation without the use of any Excel functions. So let's begin by entering the formula into cell D3. And we'll start off by selecting the cell that captures the time. In this case, that's cell B3. So that's equals B3. The next step is to calculate the proportion of seconds that we want to add for a 24-hour period. This is done by simply dividing the number of seconds we want to add by the number of seconds in a day, and then adding this to the time. So let's enter this into the formula. That's plus cell C3, divide that by 86,400. Where the value in cell C3, which is 60, represents the number of seconds that we want to add to the time, and the value of 86,400 represents the total number of seconds in a single day. Therefore, we are adding 60 seconds to the time. And then press the Enter key. And that's it. The formula is now adding the seconds to the time. Let's now add different seconds to the time by selecting the cell where we have written the formula, which is in cell D3. Hover over to the bottom right corner of the cell and drag the formula down. Notice that cells D5 and D6 have changed dates given that the number of seconds that we have added are so high. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.